Come forward, human.
Welcome, heroes!
Our prayers have been answered! The heroes received our summons, and now they're here to help us!
Right. Excuse me. Would you allow me to appraise what kinds of abilities you've received? Incredible! A holy sword wielder! What amazing potential! Sacred magic. On top of that, you have the ability to use lightning, wind, ice, and light magic. What a comprehensive range!
I beg you, please save the kingdom of Raysager! You heroes from another world are our only hope!
Wait, what did she say? We've been summoned to another world?
There's a hero in the back.
Let's see here. Tsuyoshi Mukoda, 27 years old. His unique skill is... online grocery?
What the heck?
Is there even internet here? Sounds useless.
Hold on. Is that it?
It looks like that's the only unique skill you have.
I hope we can count
The other
on
three
our
seem completely overpowered.
Pardon me, but as someone who is summoned to our world, you'll need to meet His Royal Majesty.
Oh. Lead the way.
Since ages past, the Demon King has been known to terrorize our kingdom on occasion. Would you heroes lend us your strength to preserve peace throughout the land? Only the Demon King himself possesses the power to return you all from whence you came.
I won't stand by and allow the Demon King to make the innocent suffer.
Oh, does this mean...
If my power can be of any use, right?
This story isn't adding up. May I say something? No matter how you slice it, I'm not a hero. And I'd probably just get in everyone's way if I stayed. Sorry, I know you're desperate for help.
The online grocery
But if
guy,
possible,
huh?
I'd like to try to live a quiet, simple life in this world. They gave me 20 gold. I appreciate the gesture regardless, but I wish I knew how much or how little this is worth.
Hey, look at that guy. Never seen those like that before. He must not be from around here.
Shoot, I stick out like a sore thumb. I need to find a change of clothes before I can start gathering info.
Could we stop by that store too? Sure, why not?
Have a nice day!
I'll tell you if you give us some food.
I picked these fresh just this morning. Good luck finding a better price in this area.
I'm so glad I didn't get carried away and agree to become a hero. For a kingdom in trouble, their royals sure are extravagant. Got a feeling I shouldn't linger here too long. Alright then. Let's see. Status open. Whoa. That's amazing. I've seen this happen in anime before, but it feels totally different in person. Level 1 skills, appraise, and another called item box. Oh, looks like I don't have to worry about lugging things around. As for my unique skill, it's still online grocery. Activate online grocery! Why didn't it work? Don't tell me it's broken. A website popped up. I should buy some water first. Drinking water from foreign places can cause stomach issues. Next, I should get something to eat that's ready-made. Balance. That was fast. Whoa. This skill is amazing! It's not useful in combat, and the higher-ups didn't have a frame of reference for online shopping. But this skill's really strong. I won't go hungry if I have money, and I bet there's a way I could use this skill to bring some in. So in that case, I should get out of this